Hello YouTube, I'm David with the David West channel. Let's use this white oak straight out of the wood pile so it is dry in 3 different ways today. Let's use the bark as a filler for a cotton fire roll. Then we'll make some shavings off of it and we'll use that ignited fire roll to ignite white oak shavings. And then of course we'll break this piece down into fuel wood and get our fire going. Let me show you. All right, here's our feathers. Let's make some scrapings now. In the wind as usual. All right, let me show you our feathers and our scrapings. All right, scrapings and feathers. All right, let me show you all these shavings and how I'm going to put them together. And there's my coarse shavings, the feathers, and then the scrapings on top of that. Which leaves me with some nice powder right here to put directly on top of the ignited fire roll. Let's go ahead and give it a try. All right, here are the charred remains of that fat wood disc we cut off yesterday. Since the bark will not cooperate after about 3 tries, let's fire roll this char. Nothing up my sleeve. I'm a magician. You don't see smoke, go back and roll it some more. Well, good. The title of this video won't be the same. That's all right. It's impressive to use a fire roll to ignite a wood shavings tinder bundle when those shavings are white oak. Take your time with this. You've got to let it just sit there and cook and slowly transfer that heat to the other smaller tinder and then of course to the bigger shavings. And then other times it just takes right off. All right, y'all, do me a favor. Before you leave my channel, please subscribe, hit the notification bell, and in that drop-down list, select all. And do give the video a like. Appreciate you joining me on this one. We'll catch you on the next one.